You go ahead and start it off right now, please. No, it's live on mine. You're on. Go ahead and start it off. It's going to be on my channel. It's on my channel. Okay, so we'll talk about that. Yeah, it is. All right, we got to move on with this, okay? Um, okay, I won't. Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm gonna like switch the camera over so we can show the viewers this. Sorry about the I deeply apologize about the discussion, but we are trying to figure things out. All right. Oh goodness, I don't want to step on that. Okay. Um. Yes. Okay. All right. So we have severe weather going on. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect for parts of Michigan until 1 a.m. And there's also, we're going to take you flying over here. There's actually a tornado warning in Genesee County. So, tornadoes in general are nothing to fool around with. We've told you a couple days, folks, that we would be dealing with severe weather, and you can just see all of the lightning strikes here all over Michigan. It is just really something. Uh Over in western Michigan, there's not really a whole lot of action going on right now, but we'll kind of keep an eye on that because things could redevelop since that the watch is until uh 1 a.m. in the morning, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. But there are lightning strikes as we speak, and then I'm gonna like zoom in here. You could just see in the Lansing area, you can see all around this whole area. Uh, there are tons and tons of lightning strikes everywhere, and this goes all the way and it spreads all the way into southeast Michigan. Uh, so it's fairly busy. There's not really a lot going on right now. Uh, in Western Michigan, we'll keep an eye on that and let you know. But throughout Michigan and Northern Michigan, all this area is got a lot of lightning strikes, a lot of severe weather all around, even in Brown City. No matter where you go, there is just severe weather uh, the way we see it. Today, we've been dealing with very hot temperatures, uh, high humidity, and we had index that appeared to be in the hundreds, so it was very hot, a lot of humidity out there, so it was very sticky. So, hopefully, you guys are drinking a lot of fluids, a lot of water in general is very important. So, you stay hydrated. If you don't drink enough water, you're going to get dehydrated and end up in the hospital. I know I heard a few ambulances today. Uh, responding to emergency calls. So please take that seriously. If you're going to be walking around, drink water, take a water jug, something, and drink to your health because it's nothing to fool around with. This heat advisory, we're going to be dealing with this again tomorrow. I'll have a more up to date on that in just a little bit. The severe thunderstorm watch goes all the way in to tomorrow morning at 1 o'clock. We'll let you know if anything changes, but so far all of the action appears to be in the middle of Michigan. Okay, go ahead. Where is this tornado warning at? Okay, people that are in Livingston County. Severe thunderstorm warning. Until what time? Yes. Okay, how long is okay, okay. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. Okay, I have okay, I have okay. Alright, I have to interrupt you guys. If you live in Oakland County, the Oakland County area, out in Milford, the Oakland County area, you guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning, and then we have another area over like in the Lansing area. A severe thunderstorm has produced a tornado warning. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here and show you exactly where it's at. It's right over by I 96. So if you live out in this area, it's going to be past Livingston County. There is a tornado warning right there, folks. So if you live out there, make sure that you're taking cover immediately because these storms have the potential of spawning tornadoes and issuing tornado warnings. Okay, let's turn it over to you, Kev. Okay. 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 Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. I have to interrupt you. Okay, I have to interrupt you at this time. Oakland County, Troy, Michigan, severe thunderstorm warning for you. If you live in Oakland County, you are under severe thunderstorm warning for Troy, Michigan. So just be aware of that. Tornado warning if you live over in the Lansing area, over by Williamston area. I'll show you exactly where it is. If you live in that area, there is a tornado warning over there. And then in Livingston County, tornado warning as well. So it does extend from this area right here. And it does muddle on through, and it extends into Livingston County. So we've got some very powerful storms around the area. And then we're going to go back over here. If you live in western Michigan, over in the Kalamazoo area, we have a lot of lightning strikes out in that area. So just to let you know, there are some powerful storms because even in the Vicksburg area, Portage area, a lot of lightning strikes were did did come through. Did Yes, go ahead. Yes, I believe you. Yes. Yes, you may. We did have some powerful thunderstorms, a lot of lightning strikes with this. Like I said, we are still under that severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. I will let you know if storms do redevelop, but for those people that live in these areas, especially, are under tornado warning. So make sure you're taking cover very, very serious. And then Oakland County's severe thunderstorm warning. Troy, Michigan, you're under a severe thunderstorm warning. I need to ask the captain here, how long is that severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County and Troy, Michigan, please? Okay, okay, the other thing that I am gonna also be talking about in a little bit when things calm down here, I am gonna be uh, we do have storm reports that did come in, and I will be going over that in just a little bit here. So they're scattered pretty much on the western part of Michigan, is where all the reports are coming from at this time. So we'll keep an eye on that. No storm reports at this time for Southeast Michigan. So that's pretty much what I have so far. Back to you. All right, that's what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to do. Okay. Okay, 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 yes, correct. Okay, let's see what. Okay, all right, give me 1 minute here, folks. We're going to get to that. I gotta figure out where we're at here just a moment so I can click on that and see what's going. Oh, I know. I'm trying to get the details here. We're trying to figure out what's going on here. So we have the full text here. I'm gonna go ahead and read this to you guys so you guys know what's going on. Just so you know. Okay, I just wanted really. Oh boy. Okay, let me read this thing that I just got. Oh, okay. The National Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for central Livingston County and southeastern Michigan until 10:15. So you guys are still under that tornado warning, so stay in the sheltered area as well. Okay. At 9:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Williamston or Fowlerville, moving east at 40 moving at 40 miles an hour. This is potentially a very dangerous situation, so you should be taking cover now and remain in your sheltered area. There is there there is debris. Okay, there is. Okay. And this confirmed tornado is indicated on Doppler radar, so make sure that you guys are taking cover. So we'll go back to it. And this is the tornado warning that they're talking about in Livingston County. This is a very dangerous situation that is going on in southeast Michigan. This is nothing to joke around about, folks. So if you live in Livingston County, remain in your sheltered area. This is a very dangerous damaging tornado. So this is a very dangerous situation in southeast Michigan in Livingston County at this time, and this is a confirmed tornado by the radar. So please stay in your sheltered area. We will let you know when the storm has passed. So make sure that you're taking cover now. It's a very dangerous situation. So please take cover. If we had that problem in Western Michigan, I would be on it pronto. Back to you. Which one has been canceled? Okay. Uh, right. Yeah, oh yes. Go ahead. Yeah, yeah. And I'm showing everybody all of the lightning strikes, ladies and gentlemen, all across the board. We've got lightning strikes, extreme lightning strikes everywhere. Even in western Michigan, over in Kalamazoo, Portage, all around the area. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right now. As a matter of fact, hold on just a moment here. How are we going to do this? Okay. Way down in here, there are lots of lightning strikes all around. So, uh, when a lightning strike hits, this thing updates, it's on the board. This is massively severe weather, ladies and gentlemen, and I will have those storm reports for you. Within a couple of minutes, I will probably end up going live again with those storm reports. But these storms are massively dangerous and they have been developing quite quickly. So we'll be watching southeast Michigan and western Michigan on both ends. But it looks like for right now, western Michigan, it looks like we're gonna do just fine. There is clearing from the severe weather. All the massive stuff is all in Lansing area. Wherever you see all of the lightning strikes, that's where all the massive storms are at this time. And you can see all of the severe weather is pushing out of western Michigan. We didn't really get a lot of the severe weather out of the storms for right now. All the massive stuff appears to be in the middle of Michigan, southeast Michigan. So we did get a little bit of storms here and there, but we're still going to keep an eye on the situation. Back to you. The same. Right, right. Exactly, exactly. Okay. All right. So, like I was just saying before, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of the massive storms appear to be uh, developing in the middle of Michigan. That's where all the massive storms have been developing. That's why you're seeing all these lightning strikes. That's where all the stronger storms have been. But the good news is for Western Michigan, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now. The good news about that is Western Michigan, things are really starting to clear up. There hasn't really been a lot of severe weather. Fine. All of these areas in Western Michigan are doing great. Things are clearing up. Not not a lot of severe weather to speak of, which is surprisingly well. I'm really surprised by this. We will have to see if we get another round of severe weather. I'm thinking the possibility it may not happen. The reason for that is a lot of this stuff is shifting towards the east, so I believe things are going to start to calm down here at any time. So if that does happen, this severe thunderstorm watch could be dropped early if things begin to calm down here. What do you think about this? So they might be issued another tornado warning. Okay, we can do that. Hello? Are you there? Well, I bet. But like I said, all of these storms have. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Happened. That was kind of weird for a minute. I thought I lost you.
Okay, let me
So
go
we'll
back for a second. Looks like we got large hail coming down in Springfield Township, White Lake Township, Highland Township. There could be large hail falling down and a lot of heavy rain coming through in Milford Township. And back to you.
okay. And I'm really surprised. Western Michigan, we are doing awesome. We had some storms, but you can just see that a lot of all of the thunderstorms, severe weather, all of this stuff is pushing away, and it is going towards southeast Michigan. A lot of areas with these storms today. We did get, I'm going to say, a small and slight chance of it. We got, the strong storms, but we didn't have any warnings to be concerned about. No tornado warnings or no
And it
severe
looks like
thunderstorm
we're going to
warnings
get
for.
strong winds now, showing on velocity, high wind profile. high wind profile. It looks like we're going to see a high reflectivity for wind damage on velocity tools. We're going to be dealing with 80 miles an hour or 70 miles per hour. Let's keep an eye on
Oh
that
boy.
right now, Oakland County, see what's going on here. There, hold on a
Okay.
second. I want to make sure. Is there any way you can go on Oakland County and check that for you too?
Actually, I can just click on it. Give me a minute and let me see
Yes,
what
that
I
looks
can
like
do.
that may have a high wind damage there.
Hang on. Let me see what I can do here. Let me see if I can click on it. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. No, I would have to switch the map over to Southeast Michigan, and I can't do that at the moment.
It looks like it's gonna be. It looks like 60 miles per hour, but it looks like it could be more than that.
Okay, we'll just have to keep an eye on this. This is the longest live coverage that we've ever had. In about a minute or so, we're gonna take a break, and then I will be back, and we'll be doing more live coverage. And this is the other question, Captain: are any of these storms? Do you think anything could redevelop, or do you think no?
Uh, the one in Oakland County, we still want to be live until this all passes over.
Okay, all right. What we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be taking a break here, and then we're gonna do the other half coming up shortly here,
That's a good
and then
idea, man. So we can both catch our breath.
yeah, so we're gonna take a break, and then we'll be back shortly with the other half of this severe weather. So please stay tuned, and we'll see everybody in just a little bit. And we've got more live coverage coming up in just a little bit shortly. Stay tuned, everybody, and we'll have the other half coming up in just a little bit. Thank you for watching.